Hey guys, just a very quick review this week on a new product I've got for my GoPro Hero 8 Black. So this product is made by Forevercam, and what they've made here is essentially a roll cage for your GoPro. Pretty much this whole thing is made out of one piece of aluminium, and it's very, very sturdy. At the back here you've got this little screw that you can take out, and the back panel here lifts up, and that's how you get the GoPro in and out. I do feel like it's a little bit fiddly trying to get this back on, especially if you're trying to do this outside or in the cold. And then I would have liked to have seen this screw attached to something, because if I drop that, it's gone. So you've got the normal GoPro mount at the bottom here, and actually underneath this fixing is the 1/4" standard tripod mount if you ever wanted to put your GoPro on a tripod. Obviously you still want access to your GoPro while it's in the frame, so we've got a cutout for the capture button here. On the side, you can still access the battery and the SD card slot. And then there's a space for the power button here, and there's even a little cutout for the microphone. As well, there's a small cutout on the side here so that you can show other people that you've got the latest and coolest GoPro. So, one of the main reasons I bought this is you've got a 52mm thread at the front here, and you can actually just put in a cheap camera ND filter. Now this is going to be way better than forking out 50 or 60 quid for a custom GoPro 8, magnetically mounted camera filter. Should note though, one of the things I wanted to do was pop this UV filter on the front here. I kind of have this as like the sacrificial one, and hopefully the ND filter still remains intact underneath. The problem with this though is that the outside edges of the filter starts to cause a bit of vignetting, and you can actually see it. So these ND filters came separately. What you actually get in the box, as well as the roll cage, is a UV filter, a little cap, and then there's a bag here. It's got a spare, what is that, probably an M3 hex nut for the bottom here, and then 2 little bits of felt with sticky backing. What therefore is putting inside the roll cage just to make sure that the camera fits really snugly. But I actually found that this fitted really well straight out of the box. I should mention as well that there is a cold shoe mount on the top here, and you could plug a external microphone in just like that, and then have it set up with the wire coming down into the sides. So who would I recommend this to? Well, honestly, anyone that uses the camera as it was intended to be used, as an action camera. This is going to really protect your GoPro from a lot of hard bumps and knocks. And in the worst case, you're going to maybe smash up the UV filter at the front, which is like a couple of quid to replace. So that's going to be a lot better than damaging the lens. Not just that though, people that might want to use this camera for vlogging. So as I mentioned, it's got that cold shoe mount at the top. You can pop a microphone on here, no problem. And then it's a real lightweight, compact build. So I've left links down below for all of the filters, the roll cage, microphones, and it is an affiliate link. So if you guys did decide to buy through that, then you'd be helping out my channel, and I'd be very grateful for that. You could also help me out by liking the video and subscribing if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.